How does central muscle fatigue make you feel tired early? Imagine pushing yourself during exercise and feeling that sudden wave of tiredness even before your muscles start to give out. That's often caused by something happening in your brain and spinal cord, not just your muscles. This is called central muscle fatigue or central nervous system fatigue. It happens when your brain and spinal cord send weaker signals to your muscles, making you feel tired sooner. Normally, your brain sends clear signals through the spinal cord to your muscle fibers, telling them to contract and produce force. When you start to get tired from central fatigue, this signaling process becomes less effective. The part of your brain responsible for voluntary movement, called the motor cortex, begins to send fewer signals. The motor neurons, which carry these signals to your muscles, also fire less often or less synchronized. This means your muscles don't get as strong or as frequent commands, even if they are still capable of contracting. This reduction in neural drive is influenced by changes in brain chemistry. Neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and noradrenaline help regulate mood, motivation, and alertness. When these chemicals are out of balance, it can cause feelings of mental tiredness, lack of motivation, and trouble concentrating. So, when you feel exhausted during a workout, even though your muscles aren't fully worn out, central fatigue is likely playing a role. Unlike peripheral muscle fatigue, which happens when your muscles run out of energy or metabolites build up inside them, central fatigue is about the nervous system's ability to keep sending strong signals. It's like your brain decides to turn down the effort before your muscles are truly exhausted. That's why you might feel mentally drained and physically tired early on, even if your muscles could still work. This is why during long or intense activities, you often feel drained both mentally and physically before your muscles reach their limit. Rest, good nutrition, and hydration help your nervous system recover and stay alert. Eating enough carbohydrates supports brain function and neurotransmitter balance, helping you maintain better neural signals. Rest allows your nervous system to reset, so it can send strong signals again when you start moving. In simple terms, central muscle fatigue makes you feel tired early because your brain can't send strong, steady signals to your muscles. This causes a drop in muscle activation and strength, and it makes you feel exhausted mentally and physically before your muscles are truly worn out. It shows how your nervous system and muscles work together, and why taking care of your brain health is just as important as caring for your muscles.